To live in our world, both now and in the future, our energy consumption and the amount of CO2 we emit must decrease. The city of Turku has embraced this challenge, committing to becoming carbon neutral by the year 2029. Over the coming years, various projects will be carried out to achieve this ambition. A carbon neutral city requires energy optimization of buildings, as well as sourcing the energy consumed from renewable means. The world's largest storage facility of solar thermal energy will be built underneath the market square of Turku. This will be an integrated feature of the new Turku Toriparkki, a 600-car underground parking garage. The design of Toriparkki makes it the most energy-efficient underground parking garage in the world. After just a few years of operation, the facility will produce 100% of the heating energy in use. In addition to the underground thermal storage system, the innovative design harnesses solar and geothermal energy, as well as integrating with district heating networks. In Finland, seasonal variations in temperature can be significant. Naturally, heating is required in winter, but there is also an ever-increasing need for cooling during summer. The Toriparkki energy system utilizes solar thermal energy, which is absorbed via piping installations next to the surface of the market square. In the spring, the Toriparkki energy system is at its coolest, after the effects of winter. The cool liquid in the system can be distributed for district cooling. At the same time as the sun begins to warm again, heat is also transferred to the storage system. In summer, the sun heats the surface of the marketplace, and the warm liquid inside the piping flows underground, down to around 50 meters at the deepest point. Underground, warm liquid flows into the energy piles of the structure, warming the surrounding ground. The ground under Turku's central market square is composed of clay, which is perfect for storing thermal energy. Every summer, approximately 11.2 gigawatt hours of heating energy will be loaded into the storage facility. The heating power of the energy storage is approximately 6.6 megawatts. During the first years of use, the local district heating provided by Turku Energia will assist with the thawing of ice. District heating also functions as the backup heating system for Toriparkki. As autumn arrives, the thermal energy storage is fully charged, and the heat in the ground can now be released through the liquid in the energy piles. The warm liquid flows up to the surface piping. As the autumn progresses, the air cools down and the frost begins to freeze the streets. The piping on the market square surface functions as a defrosting system during winter, keeping the market square clear and thawed, despite freezing temperatures and snowfall. During winter, the underground solar thermal energy storage gradually cools down. In early spring, the storage is at its coolest point until once again the sun gradually heats the market square and thermal energy builds up underground. Turku's Toriparkki has the proud distinction of being Europe's first zero-energy parking facility. The solar heating and storage system, designed by Nolla E, reduces annual CO2 emissions by 950 tonnes when compared with a heat pump solution. The district heating is provided by Turku Energia's renewable energy source, Ekotako Lamppu. This heating system ensures Toriparkki remains carbon neutral, both in the early stages and as a backup in future years. The energy system of Toriparkki is a major step towards a carbon neutral city of Turku.